If I would be a leader, I would want the communication between me and my colleagues to be efficient and effective, so that there won't be any communication gap between us which won't lead to any problem in the future. Also, if I would be a leader, my vision would be that we should learn more and more things and never miss an opportunity to learn, or try to grasp all the opportunity we get to learn, because while learning we get to know about different cultures, about different caste which is there in our country. Also, that would help to solve any given problem at any given time, because we would be having the knowledge of the about the problem. And I would also try to increase the loyalty of my employees, because if any problem arises, I would also have the support of my employees and my subordinates to deal with that problem. And I would also try to improve. I would also try to bring my team member to be working for a common goal, because that will help them to get all the work done in an effective time. Even if I am a manager or a leader while launching the product, I need to consider various factors before launching the product. But the main factors are the price which I'm gonna sell the product, the promotion which I'm gonna do for the product, the packaging which I'm gonna do for the product, the name for the product, the target audience which I'm gonna consider for the product, the competition which I'm gonna get for the product, and have I done enough tests to prove that the product is safe for the consumers in the market. So the first factor would be the price. What price I'm gonna sell the product for? Is it worth the product? Is the consumer gonna think if it's worth the product? Second thing would be the promotion. So the second thing, promotion. So the company should have a proper promotion strategy, so that even if a consumer hears anything relevant to the product, the first thing that comes to his mind is a product. So the next thing should be the name. So the name should be enough catchy that the consumer remembers our name, and if he hears the name, then he should remember our product. And the next thing would be the packaging of the product. The company should do a bit of research on packaging, because in today's world the consumer sees the packaging and buys the product, even if he doesn't know what the product is used for or what the product is useful, if the product is useful for him or not. So the company should do a bit of research on packaging, so that they could even sell the product on the basis of packaging. The next thing would be the competition which they are going to face in the market. So the company should do a bit of research on the competition, because if the company has already known the competition, the competitors of the product, so they could be prepared for anything the competitors are gonna put in the middle while launching the product. And the last thing would be the test. If the company has done enough tests to provide the guarantee to the consumer that the product is safe and doesn't have any side effects of the product. If I do a self-reflection on my skills, I would like to present the skills which I have. That will be commitment, active listener, teamwork. So the first skill I would like to present is the commitment. I would be totally committed to any given task and try to complete it beforehand. Also, I would like to work in teams rather than individual, because working in teams you get different types of ideas and knowledge, because there are many members in a team and each of them have a different type of thinking and perception. I am also a very good listener. If you are an active listener, that's the best part for a leader, because you will listen to your employees or the problems of your employees, and then you will try to give a solution. So I would like to improve on the skills. As my leadership, I have a very bad temper, so I will try to do improvement on my temper. Because of my bad temper, I tend to make harsh decisions which tend to have problems in the future because of my decisions. I would like to also improve the presentation skills, because I have a fear of public speaking. So I would like to improve my speaking in public and the presentation skills, because if you don't present properly, the people won't be understanding what you want to say, because even if you have much detailed information but you cannot present it properly, so the people won't understand what you want to tell or want them to understand. Thank you, and would love to have the feedback for the video.